Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We'll be picking cards, guys. So, one card from this deck, and I'll be picking more cards for y'all. So, this is for your moon energies, Pisces, and this for your love guidance. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Pisces, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this reading. So let's start with this card first. So we have Never Ending Story. So Pisces, in your circumstances today, maybe you are in a situation, maybe you have done something wrong, you wish that you did something differently, and you are criticizing yourself for that, feeling really wounded, and there is a lot of pain, and you are telling yourself, going through those circumstances, those painful circumstances, again and again, thinking about it, and this hurt and loss, feeling bad for that, feeling really, going through that again and again in our mind is something unnecessary today, guys, because this old story is something that is holding us back. We should never go there. So it will make us more sad, depressed, and we won't have clarity, and we will fear our future. So what will happen in the future? So you must tell yourself a positive story today, guys. Maybe all that you went through, all that negative things of your past, you must just take those lessons and give up all that pain, forgive the people involved, and forget, and move forward with your life only with the lessons in your heart, and try to find something good about that circumstance, and you can build your story on that, small speck of something positive. So the same way in this relationship, Pisces, maybe you were in a relationship with that person, with someone. Maybe there was lot of pain, neglect, or for some reason we do not feel really intimate, feel really open with the other person, because we are having a low self-esteem, and the reason may be because of our past story. So whatever we tell ourselves, the story of abandonment, rejection, and loneliness, so that is what is reflecting on this present relationship, guys. So if you want to have a very positive and a deep, beautiful relationship with someone, you need to forgive yourself, and you should not tell yourself the same old story. So you should try to see the positive things of the past and move forward, guys. And even in your work situation, Pisces, maybe there was a lot of competition, there was greed, and there was a lot of fear. The reason for things went in a different way, and you should not compare yourself with others, guys, and feeling really afraid or feeling really disappointed when you do not succeed to that extent. So you must give up all those insecurities that you feel, and whatever mistakes that you did, you must love to learn, love to you must learn to love yourself no matter what you did, and you must try to tell yourself a better story, maybe a success story in whatever things you succeeded. You can think of it, and that way you are going to move constructively forward in your life today, guys, Pisces. So for your moon energies, Pisces, we have this card here. Hold your vision, fixed moon. So it just means that in your situation, you need to be really firm, holding on to what you truly believe in. Or maybe for some of you, you feel stuck, unable to decide on something. But if you want certain things to change for yourself, you must stop being really stubborn, guys. Think and plan for yourself. Have that self reflection. So think within yourself, for yourself, and see what will work for you. So that way you are going to change your circumstances, Pisces. So for your love guidance, compassion, showing compassion to the people we are with just means that we must be really, aware of their feelings and understanding what motivates them, guys, and beginning to empathize with them. And all of us are on our own unique journey, guys. Some of us have an easier road than others, but all of us have something in common. That common thing is our life together. So compassion is a gift you give yourself. So when you allow yourself that time and space to that loving acts every day, maybe a simple act of smiling, it can be really rejuvenating us, guys. It is going to be helping us emotionally and giving us that gratification, sense of satisfaction in our life. So when we are showing our kindness to people, it is going to come back to us multifold, Pisces. So that is the energy here, guys, with this card. But it may be a difficult thing to do, guys, being really kind, a difficult lesson to master. But once we do it, we grow so much spiritually. So that is the reading for you all, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. For your pick a card love reading today, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for you all. It says the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, in your personal life, or maybe in your work situation, you are doing a lot, maybe going through a lot for someone you love. Maybe you have sacrificed so much and you have faced your circumstances with that brave heart, and there is no one who knows that extent of your sacrifice, or the extent you have gone through, that pain and stress, worries for this person you love. And you have never told anyone about this uh, work you are doing. Maybe you are dedicated to something, that one pointed focus, just like a great scientists or great minds work with that passion to discover something. So you are doing something really passionate with that level of commitment, concentration, dedication, and that you are doing for someone you love. You are going out of the way to do that work. You need not worry, guys, because whatever we do with this level of dedication will never go for waste. So, there will come a time when people will appreciate you, people you love, they will understand you, understand your passion, and though it may be perceived as madness today, something that need not be done, and even people may be really hostile towards you, but this passionate action on your part, or it may be someone in your life, they are going for that. So whatever it is, it will result in healing and great breakthroughs in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe today your sacrifice has no value, or there are no people to understand you, but there will come a time when people will appreciate your efforts, people will appreciate your courage and that focus you have, dedication you had today. So that is the energy, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it says Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So in your circumstances, maybe whatever you are facing right now, it may be because of people keeping you away from some information, maybe some awareness. It may be something of someone's doing, maybe someone close to you. It may be a family member, or it may be even your person who loves you. So they are trying to keep away some truth because they feel that you may hurt yourself or you may worry yourself, and by doing that they are creating a very bad situation for you, because you do not know the truth and you don't know what you should or what you should not do, because you lack clarity. So this lack of clarity may be because of some people, because they are keeping something, some kind of an vital information from you, and that is the reason you may not be able to overcome some difficult circumstances in your life, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation. These circumstances may be, guys, but very soon you will be able to overcome these challenges and you will know the truth, whatever you need to know. And when you know the truth, all the people around you, even they will realize their mistake, what has happened, and everyone will awaken. There is some kind of great emotional change coming up in your circumstances, guys. So time will tell you the truth today. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.